supplementary, the fun they had written by Isaac Asimov. Children, from the topic I hope you can assume that the fun they had, that is this story which happens in the past, something fun they had in the past, and that is written by Isaac Asimov. Let us see about the author now. Isaac Asimov was born on January 2nd, 1920 and died in 1992. He was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Watson University. He was known for his work of science fiction, here, imagery, event, and popular science. Asimov was a prolific writer and edited more than 500 books. Actually, he has given more than 500 books and estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. Asimov wrote hard science fiction along with Robert A. Heinlein and Arthur C. Clarke. So he has given a book called Hard Science Fiction along with Robert A. Heinlein and Arthur. He was considered one of the best science fiction writer during his lifetime. So he is considered as the best science fiction writer during his lifetime. Okay, so now we shall see in depth about this lesson. Children, this lesson, the fun they had, written by Isaac Asimov, deals with the importance of computer in our daily life. Children, you all know, actually we are witnessing the importance of computer, is it right? Nowadays we are in the pandemic, that is with the COVID-19, and people are not able to come to school, and we teachers are taking online classes in smartphones and with computers. This lesson deals with the same thing, that is, this lesson tells us how the schools will be in future, and that schools will be handled by the robotic teachers. The children will have a virtual classroom. Virtual classroom in the sense everything, all the computers, everything there is, all not the human will be not there, and all with the virtual classroom, and then there they will be learning through computers. In the computers, the text will go on moving. That is what is called as the moving text. Okay. Yes. Shall we start the lesson now? This story is going to be happen in future. I told you in the year 2157. Okay. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, "Tommy, today Tommy found a rare book." So here Margie, she is writing in her diary, that is in the year, diary this is not paper and notebook which you are writing, everything in the text manner. And she is explaining in that diary that today Tommy, he found a real book. Real book in the sense what you people are luckily having now. Okay. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So Margie has heard from her grandfather that his grandfather, when he was, that is his grandfather, used to have a real book. So she has heard from his grandfather. Okay. Now, they turned that, how the real book is seen. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly in the sense many folds crushed, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. Actually children, now you people are very much aware of smartphones, is it? Each and everything you will move with your fingers and you are able to do. That is, before 10 years they were not having the basic mobiles. If I give you the basic mobile now, what is this mama? It's very boring, we don't want this mobile. We want only Apple phone. That is what your opinion is, it? In the same way, she too felt very comic, very funny to see the real book. Because she had an experience, she is going to have an experience. Actually, this is happening in the year 2157, okay? So she is having the experience of a e-text. Everything in the monitor, where the text go on moving, and and her classroom is a virtual classroom where the robotic teacher is running the class. Okay, she Then, Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Actually, this Margie, she is at the age of 11 and Tommy, he is at the age of 13. And this is that more than Margie, he might have seen many, he might have learned many books, many novels and many things in the moving computer. That is moving e-text in the virtual class. Okay. She said, where did you find it? So actually this book, I told you the first, it was found by the Tommy and both were having a discussion. What is this? This book is everything, the words are not moving it. Whenever I turn, the first word is same as it, and she is asking in a manner that where did you find this textbook? Okay, in my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. So without seeing Margie, and she said, and he said, so Tommy said that I found this book in the attic. Attic in the sense a space just below the roof used as a showroom. Okay, from there he got this real textbook. Actually, that book is grandfather's grandfather book. What's it about? Who is asking? Margie is asking. What is it about? Okay, and he is replying. Tommy is replying. School. Margie was scornful. Scornful in the sense scornful. See, it is there. Scornful. Feeling or expressing contempt. I'm sorry. Feeling or expressing contempt. That is here scornful about school. So because for her, for Margie, the school is her room which is next to her bedroom. Okay, her classroom is the virtual classroom. Everything takes place in the online manner. And the teacher is the robotic teacher. So for her, she don't know how the school will be. Immediately when Tommy says it is about the school, she is getting scornful. She is getting somewhat contempt. What is this? To learn about school. Okay. Then Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. Why? We will see why she hates the school more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for a county inspector. So here for her, as I have told you, the school is the virtual classroom and it is handled by the robotic teacher. And why she hates school here is actually she is having a test after test in geography, and she to Margie is also doing worse and worse in that subject. And she was very much sorrowful, and she and her mother were very much sorrowful, and they called for the county inspector. County inspector is nothing but a person who repaired this robotic teacher. Okay, see, let us see how the county inspector is. I hope you can see in the picture, page number 44, they have given some images about the county inspector and robotic teacher. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. So how is the appearance of county inspector? He is round, little And for her, that mechanical teacher is large, black and ugly. For whom? For Margie. Then, that wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. And one more thing she hated in that robotic teacher is that slot. That slot in the sense, this robotic teacher, she gives test and homework. After completing in a punch code, this in the computer, actually it's a computing language, we'll say punch code language. After completing it, she has to put that again in that slot. And that robotic teacher will give the answers within no time is given. Within a minute, or can be within a second also. Okay, so that part she hates most in the robotic teacher. Okay, then the inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quickly. Those things happen sometime. I have slowed it up to an average 10 years level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. So, actually I told you, her mother was very worried because her daughter is doing worse and worse in the geography. And now the county inspector is consoling her by saying, "Don't worry, actually this geography sector is too quick. I said in the age of 10, and now she is able to manage the geography sector." And who is consoling all those things? This county inspector is consoling her. Then Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector has blanked out completely. Actually, her teacher, that is her robotic teacher, has got ready within an hour. And she was hoping that once Tommy's robotic teacher also was blanked in the sense it was erased. Her history sector in a robotic teacher, history language, history subject has been erased. And his county inspector has taken it for a month and he was free on the time. So she too was hoping for the same, but it doesn't happen. Her robotic teacher has got ready within an hour. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" So for her, you have understood, the school is the virtual classroom, and now for her, the teacher is the robotic teacher, which has got ready within an hour, and nothing to explain about the school for her, is it? So now she is asking, what is there to write about school? Why these people have written about the school before a long years? So she is asking the question now. Tommy looked at her very superior eyes, because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added, loftily pronouncing word carefully, centuries ago. Loftily in the sense something done in a crowd. And now she is saying, "You stupid girl, this is not the school which we are having it. Actually this happens before 100 years ago. 100 years ago, that is centuries ago, where the students, where the children used to go to a building. That building, what is that building around? We'll see now. Okay. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder and for a while, then said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a human. A human? How could a human be a teacher? Well, she told boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A human, isn't smart enough? Sure, one is. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute in the sense disagree that. She said, "I wouldn't want a stranger in my house to teach me." I told you, no dear. So now Tommy was saying, before centuries ago, children used to go to a school where the human teacher, that is where the teacher used to take class. And now she is asking it, this was happening. Now this girl, who is that, Margie is asking, how come a human can can take a class, how we can allow a stranger to come to our house to take a class. And now he is explaining it. It is not like that. That is during those days, when the centuries ago, where the children all together they go to a particular building where the schools, where the children sit together, and it will be handled by the teacher, human teacher. So he is explaining it. Oh, Tommy. See, you can see now. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. Teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. And all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. So now she is asking, is that how they can sit together and how they learn the same thing? Is that they were all in the same age? Because for her the school is there next to her bedroom. Okay, and then according to their level, according to their age, the robotic teacher has been set. Is it? So when you open your smartphone also for the class 1, this worksheet you will get in grammar. For the class 2, this worksheet. Is it? In the same way, how there is different age group children will be there, how they are all arranged. She is having a very big question mark in her head regarding the school. Yes. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl if teachers and that each kid has to be taught differently. Just the same, they didn't do it that we did. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny school. So now now Tom is saying, actually now Margie is saying that my mother used to say that each and every robotic teacher has to be set according to the age of the child, according to the mindset of the child. How come a single human teacher can set herself to see hundreds of children in a class? So now after asking this question to Tommy, Tom is saying, if you are not interested to read this book, that is to read this real book, you can go. But she is very eager, Margie is very eager, and she says that, no, I will, that is, here the residency. No, I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly. So she is saying that I didn't say that I don't like it. I am too interested to see what is that real book, how the schools will be. Margie is accepting now. Margie is accepting now. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie, school. Margie looked up. Not it, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book somewhere with you after school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly, that is not showing much interest. Away whistling the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. So now when they were about to read how the schools will be, how the children manage themselves in that building, so when they were about to do all those things, immediately there was a call from her mother. Margie, it's time for school now. And here Tommy's mother is also calling, so they both left away. Before she left, she said, after completing my online class, that is after completing my school with the robotic teacher, shall we read this book once again. So now this Tommy understood this. Margie is very much interested in this book, and they are around 11 to 13 years now. So he proudly kept the book under his arm and went back to his home now. Next, now Margie is going to her school, which is next to her bedroom. Margie went into the school room. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. So except Saturday and Sunday, all 5 days she is having a school, and she is seeing the mechanical teacher. It is on, and she is sitting before the school, and her mother always used to say that little girls learn better if they learn at a correct time, regular time, then she can learn better. So what this online class is also going on, so that you can learn it in a better manner. We will not have gap, is it? If you have a gap, already it's around 5 months. I hope you have not seen your schools. So here, see, it is happening in the after 150 centuries. In those days, Arthur has said, if the little girls better. Okay, the screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So now, as soon as the robotic teacher is on, now actually today for her is the maths class and the arithmetic lesson is ready, and she is asking her to insert the yesterday's homework to robotic teacher. Margie did so with sigh. Sigh in the sense very mechanical, that is in a mechanical manner or in a robotic manner. What she is saying, she is doing it. She was thinking about the whole schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighbor came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same thing, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. So Margie, she is sitting in front of a robotic teacher, thinking about his grandfather's school. That is how he himself and then along with his neighbors, they all went to school, shouting, smiling, sitting together, sharing their food and then solving all their homeworks. She all started imagining about their child, that is about her grandfather's school. See, you can see in this picture she is imagining here, sitting in front of the robotic teacher. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So she is thinking all the time about the fun they had. I hope by now some of my children might have been thinking, by this day we might be in the school handling maths, otherwise doing English grammar, something. Is it? You people are also missing your school. Okay, so this lesson is, I hope you have understood this lesson, the fun they had. Now we'll see the book exercises, which is in the page number 47. Children, I hope you have collected your textbook from the office room, and in the page number 147, we will complete our book exercise. Okay dear? First, identify the character of the speaker, identify the character or speaker of the following lines. First question, she was given test after test in geography. Who was given test after test? Margie, correct. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dies and wires. Who has got a round little face? That is a man with a red face. County inspector. First answer is the Margie and second answer is county inspector. Third one, she had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Which teacher? Robotic teacher. Who is that? Who was hoping there? Margie. Fourth answer. Fourth question, they learned the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. So who can learn together and talk about the homework? Students of the old schools. That is his grandfather's school. You can write as the answer, students of the old school. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Who is saying that? They had a special building and all the kids went there. Tommy is explaining this to the Margie. Okay. Then fill in the blanks with the clues given below to complete the paragraph. I'll just read it. You start writing the answers there in the blanks. Tommy and Margie found something about the schools of the past. Tommy found a real book which has been printed on papers. The book was old and the papers were yellow and crinky. Crinky in the sense crushed. At present, the words were moving on the television screen. The television had over a million of books. He had found a little old book in the attic of his house. While reading, Tommy found that it was about the old schools. Margie hated school because she was having problem with learning geography. The mechanical teacher was black and large with a screen. Margie hated the slot where she had to insert her homework or test papers. Margie did not understand how a person could take take a teacher, could be a teacher, and how the students were taught the same thing. Then it was time for Margie and Tommy. Margie went to the schoolroom in her house where the mechanical teacher stood. He was thinking about the old school and how much fun the children had learning and spending time together. Children, then Roman number C, that is section C and section D will be a homework for you. Question answers will be sent through PDF in WhatsApp. So make sure that you are writing your classwork neatly. As usual, write the lesson name, author's name, date, and then Roman number 1 hard words. Roman number 2 will be finding the meanings using dictionary for these hard words, and then Roman number 3